Pengrang ramjak suas kanis prakon sangsa taya ketal kepa video nah hani mengdal ni video dan simang na Bangladesh ni indigenous mandirang ni gemen jian chunchun kepa jatrang ni gemeno ancing ni mandirak na krabai kepa ancing ni modupur abimani saksa ada thoni chiran jian UN Human Right to bakor emang na ancing ni chunchun kepa jatrang ni kosakko etak kani rangko ba ancing ni chonchon kepa jatrang ni bidingo khatako agani ha yani gemen asimangna video clips ko mesokat nakta skinga
Human rights, economic and social development, culture and environment concerning indigenous peoples in Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a rich cultural heritage, and I appreciate the initiative taken by the Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus-led interim government to promote and preserve it. However, the progress in all the 6 mandated areas has been slow. One major concern is the ongoing human rights violations against indigenous peoples. On January 15, 2025, a violent attack was carried out by the fundamentalists in the banner of Students for Sovereignty, targeted indigenous students, activists and journalists protesting the removal of indigenous themed artwork from the textbook, led to 13 indigenous peoples severely injured. And still, justice remains elusive with perpetrators released. In 19 and 20 September 2024, communal attack in Diginala Khagrachuri and Rangamati Sodor of CST led to the death of 3 indigenous peoples and serious injuries to 20 others. Madam Chair, indigenous peoples in Bangladesh are often displaced from their ancestral land for development projects like export processing zone, ecotourism projects, rubber industries and military camp without their consent. Recently, indigenous peoples in Tangal, Sherpur, Gazipur, Dinaspur of plain land face eviction threat due to the ecotourism projects and illegal resource extraction in Mymensingh plain land. The Santal people are at risk of displacement for an export processing zone in Gaibandha, and tea companies are forcefully occupying the Khasi and Garo indigenous people's land in Greater Sylhet region. Madam Chair, indigenous human rights defenders in Bangladesh are often criminalized, falsely accused and arbitrarily detained for speaking out against these violations. Indigenous women and girls are especially vulnerable, facing sexual violence, rape and more than 25 cases reported in 2024, harassment and even murder in land-related conflict. Madam Chair, the exploitations of indigenous lands and human rights violation must end, and the state must act swiftly to ensure justice and recognize indigenous people's governance systems. Madam Chair, we urge the UN Permanent Forum on the indigenous issues to recommend the following. The government of Bangladesh must stop human rights violations, land grabbing and development projects on indigenous people's land without their consent. A separate land commission for indigenous peoples in planned land should be established, and the full implementation of CST Accord and Bangladesh Indigenous Rights Act should be ensured, and UN bodies to conduct the country business. Thank you, Madam Chair.